Dear students, chapter 4, exercise 4.1. If the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So this type of question you have to make an equation using the variables, okay? Write a linear equation with two variables to represent the statement. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So in that case you have to take the two variables. One is for notebook and another is for pen. Let the cost of notebook is X, okay, and the cost of pen is Y. Clear? Now write a linear equation in two variables. What is the statement? What is the condition here? The notebook, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. What is the according to question? What is the cost of notebook? It is X. This X is what? The twice of the cost of pen. So twice of Y. So this is your required equation. Okay. Number 2. In the question it is given the following equations. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and you have to write the values of a, b and c. Okay. The values of a, b and c. Number 5. Twice x is equal to minus 5y. Last day I also told you how to find out the value of a, b and c. All the values you have to take in one side because the equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So twice x plus 5y. Here there is no constant term, okay? So what is the constant term? That is c equal to 0. What is the value of c? That is 0 because there is no constant term. So c, the value of c is 0. Therefore a equal to 2, b equal to 5 and c equal to 0. Okay. Then come to the exercise 4.2. Which one of the following options is true and why? Y equal to thrice x plus 5 has infinitely many solutions because the linear equations always it has infinitely many solutions. That means there are several solutions is there. You can find out with the linear equation. Okay, so the correct option is infinitely many solutions. Number 2, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. You have to find out 4 solutions like this. Question number exercise 4.2, question number 2. So number 2, it is given pi x plus y equal to 9. Okay. So from here either putting the values of x or putting the values of y, you can find the another value. Okay. So y equal to 9 minus pi x. Clear? Now you can put it. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 9 minus 0 equal to 9. That means y equal to 9. If you put x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1. Y equal to 9 minus pi into 1. That is 9 minus pi. Clear? If x is equal to 2. Y equal to 9 minus pi into 2. That is 9 minus twice pi. If x is equal to, say, I am taking minus 1. Okay. y equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1. So it is equal to 9 plus pi, because minus minus plus. So 9 plus pi. Therefore, 4 solutions are, how can you write it? You have to write in coordinate form. First value for x is 0, y is 9. 0, 9. 1, 9 minus pi. 2, 9 minus twice pi. And minus 1, 9 plus pi. So these are the 4 solutions. Like that you can find infinite number of solutions from a linear equation. Okay. Next, question number 3. Check which of the following are the solutions of the equation x minus twice y equal to 4. Given x minus twice y equal to 4. Okay, now you have to check which are the solutions. Okay, now number 1, it is given 0 and 2. That means x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Now these values you have to put in the given equation. Okay, if after putting this equation on the left hand side, if you find it is equal to 4, then this is the solution of the given equation. Okay, so first, what is the value of x? It is 0 minus the value of y is 2. So 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 4. Okay, so which is not equal to 4? What is given in the right hand side? It is 4. Clear? Or you can write not equal to right hand side. It is the left hand side. Clear? So not equal to right hand side. Therefore, 0, 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Okay, if you find this is equal to 4, exactly this is the right hand side, then it is a solution. Clear? Number 4, find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. What is given? Twice x plus thrice y equal to k. Given what? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Therefore, now you put the values. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. So 4 plus 3 equal to k. Therefore, k equal to 7. So that is the value of k. Clear? Now, next, number exercise 4.3. Question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation thrice y plus ax plus 7, find the value of a. What is given here? The coordinates given here. That means the value of x is 3 and value of y is equal to 4. So putting the value of x and y in this given equation, you have to find the value of a. Okay. Now see. Next, question number 1. Exercise 4.3. Draw a graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. From these equations, you have to draw the graph. For that, you have to find some values of x and y. Okay. So, first equation it is exercise 4.3. Number 1. It is given x plus y equal to 4. Okay. So, the solutions, how we find out? By putting the values of x or putting the values of y. So, like that you have to find out 3 or 4 values of x and y. After that you have to put that values on the Cartesian plane or the graph paper. Okay. So, implies x is equal to, from here you can write 4 minus y. Clear? So, we have to draw the graph. Okay. For that, we have to find some solution of x and y. Clear? This is the value of x, this is the value of y. Some coordinates we have to put. The first point is A, this is B, this is C. Clear? Now, if you put y equal to 0, if I put y equal to 0, clear? Then what is the value of x? 4 minus 0, it is equal to 4. If I put y equal to 1, then x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is x is equal to 3. Clear? If I put y is equal to, say, 4, x is equal to 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Okay. So, these are the values. Clear? Now you have to put these values on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So, this is your graph paper. This is the origin. This side is x-axis. This side is y-axis. Sorry, y-axis. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5. This side also. One, two, three, 4, 5. See, why I am giving only this one? Because this is not Cartesian plane. If you draw this one as graph paper, then you draw this the intersecting line, that is x dash, and this side is y dash. Okay. Now, see, first point is what? First point is 4, 0. That means the value of x is 4, value of y is 0. So, which one is 4, 0? This is the 4, 0. Okay. This is the point A. That is 4, 0. Next point B. That is x is equal to 3. Y equal to 1. This is 1. That means this one. Okay. This point is B. Clear? Next, number C. X is 0. X is 0. Y is plus 4. Y is which side? This one. Okay. This point is C. So, after putting the coordinates, what you have to do? You have to join all the points. Okay. Then after joining all the points, what you have to see that you find a straight line. And remember, always when you draw the linear equation on graph paper, always you find this one is a straight line. Okay. After that, see, you have to write down. What you have to write down? We plot the points A 4, 0, B 3, 1 and C 0, 4 on the graph paper and join them. Okay. Thus, we find, so thus we say get a straight line. You can give any name of this straight line. Say P Q. P Q on the, thus we get a straight line PQ on the graph paper. Okay. So this is your representation, a linear equation on the graph paper. Okay.